Hey everyone, this is Trainboy70, and today I'm gonna unbox Push One Day with Thomas. So there's Thomas, who came in the two freight cars, I think. At the end, it carries a flag. It says Day Out with Thomas, 2026. So here's the front and the back. Let's unbox it. Carry. I gotta be careful. There we go. There's Thomas out of the package. So let's take a look at him. So here's the front, side, the back, the top. It says Day Out with Thomas 2026. The other side, it has some sheet music. Sheet music around Thomas's body. And the bottom, it says Thomas on it. Let's take a look at the trucks. There's the trucks. Inside, there's the thing you can put on with the flag. Here, see? There's the flag. You could just snap it in. Like this. I'm just gonna put on the last truck because that's where it goes. It looks the same to the Ruby Thomas. Let's take a look at them. There's Thomas. There's the Ruby Thomas, who carried the rubies. And there's the Day Out with Thomas, who's carrying empty cars. And on the last car, it carries the flag. So which one do you like better? Push One 2025 or 2026 Thomas? The Ruby Thomas or the Day Out with Thomas? Let me know in the comments down below. Well guys, that's it with this video. Send a comment, press the right button, subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.